Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's on everyone's mind. How to live a healthier life. But let's be real, a complete lifestyle overhaul can feel overwhelming. The good news is, you don't have to change everything overnight. The most powerful transformations often come from small, consistent habits. So, today we're breaking down 7 simple habits that you can start right now to boost your health and well-being every single day. These aren't about extreme diets or impossible workout routines. They're about making smart, manageable choices that add up over time. Ready to feel better, have more energy, and truly take care of yourself? Let's get started. First up, and this might be the most important habit of all, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. I know, you've heard it a million times, but are you actually doing it? Our bodies are mostly water, and every single system, from our brain to our muscles, needs it to function properly. Think of it like oil for your body's engine. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, brain fog, and even skin problems. A simple trick is to start your day with a big glass of water before you even think about coffee. It kickstarts your metabolism and rehydrates you after a long night's sleep. Keep a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day, seeing it as a constant reminder to take a sip. If plain water feels boring, try infusing it with lemon, cucumber, or mint. It's a game changer. Aim for around 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body. You might need more if you're active or it's hot outside. This one habit alone can dramatically improve your energy levels. Habit number 2 is all about moving your body, but maybe not in the way you think. I'm not talking about spending 2 hours at the gym every day. I'm talking about integrating more movement into your daily routine. We live such sedentary lives, sitting at desks, in cars, and on couches. The key is to break up those long periods of sitting. A great way to do this is to follow the 50-10 rule. For every 50 minutes you sit, get up and move for 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be intense. You can stretch, walk around your house, do a few squats, or even just stand up. Set a timer on your phone or watch to remind you. Another easy win is taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or parking a little further from the entrance of the grocery store. These small bursts of activity add up, improving your circulation, boosting your mood, and keeping your joints healthy. It's about making movement a natural part of your day, not a chore. Let's move on to habit number 3. Prioritize your sleep. We often treat sleep as a luxury, something we can cut back on when we're busy. But in reality, it's a fundamental pillar of health. During sleep, your body repairs itself, consolidates memories, and regulates crucial hormones. A lack of quality sleep can affect everything from your immune system to your appetite and your mental health. So, how can you improve your sleep hygiene? Start by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. This signals to your brain that it's time to wind down. Maybe it's reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. One of the biggest sleep disruptors is the blue light from our screens, phones, tablets, and computers. Try to put your devices away at least an hour before bed. This allows your brain to produce melatonin, the sleep hormone, naturally. And try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Next up, habit number 4. Eat 1 more vegetable. Notice I didn't say go on a strict diet. Instead of focusing on what to cut out, focus on what to add in. And adding just 1 more serving of vegetables to your day is an incredibly simple and effective way to boost your nutrient intake. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which are essential for gut health, a strong immune system, and overall vitality. So, how do you do it? It's easy. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or eggs. Have a side salad with your lunch. Snack on some baby carrots or bell pepper strips in the afternoon. Toss some broccoli or zucchini into your pasta sauce at dinner. By focusing on adding 1 good thing, you'll naturally start to make healthier choices without feeling deprived. It's a positive approach to nutrition that builds momentum. Habit number 5 is to practice mindful eating. How many times have you eaten a meal while scrolling through your phone, watching TV, or working at your desk, only to realize you barely tasted your food? Mindful eating is the simple practice of paying full attention to your meal. This means no distractions. When you eat, just eat. Notice the colors, smells, textures, and flavors of your food. Chew slowly and savor each bite. This simple shift has incredible benefits. It helps you recognize your body's natural hunger and fullness cues, which can prevent overeating. You'll enjoy your food more, and it also improves digestion because you're more relaxed. It doesn't have to be every single meal. Start with one meal a day. Put your phone away, sit down at a table, and just be present with your food. You might be surprised at what a difference it makes. Let's talk about habit number 6. Spend a few minutes outside every day. In our modern world, it's easy to spend entire days indoors. But connecting with nature, even for a short time, is a powerful tool for our physical and mental health. Getting some sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and our immune system. The fresh air can clear your head, and studies have shown that spending time in green spaces can reduce stress, anxiety, and blood pressure. You don't need to go on a huge hike. Just step outside for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink your morning coffee on your porch. Take a short walk during your lunch break, or simply sit in a park. Pay attention to your surroundings, the feeling of the sun on your skin, the sound of the birds, the sight of the trees. It is a mini reset for your mind and body that can leave you feeling calmer and more grounded. And finally, habit number 7. Practice gratitude. This might seem more like a mental habit, but the mind-body connection is incredibly strong. Our mental state directly impacts our physical health. Chronic stress and negativity can take a real toll on our bodies. Gratitude is the antidote. It's the simple act of acknowledging the good things in your life, no matter how small. A great way to build this habit is to start a gratitude journal. Every evening, before bed, write down 3 things you were grateful for that day. It could be a delicious meal, a nice conversation with a friend, a beautiful sunset, or the comfort of your bed. This practice trains your brain to focus on the positive, which can lower stress, improve sleep, and boost your overall sense of happiness and well-being. It shifts your perspective from what's wrong in your life to what's right. So there you have it, 7 small, simple habits that can lead to a much healthier and happier you. Let's recap. Start your day with water. Move your body more. Prioritize sleep. Add 1 more vegetable to your plate. Practice mindful eating. Get outside every day. And practice gratitude. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's about consistency. Don't try to implement all 7 at once. Pick 1 or 2 that feel most achievable for you right now, and focus on those for a few weeks. Once they feel like second nature, you can add another. These small steps, when practiced daily, compound over time and create lasting, positive change. You have the power to improve your health, 1 small habit at a time. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. Which habit are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and experiences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and do you want? Forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on living a healthy and fulfilling life. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.